Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord on Guitar. So, Jesse McCartney here with his song called Selfless, and this was in my pipeline for a while now. So now it's time to release it here on Chord on Guitar. Great song here. We don't need any capo for this one, but we have 6 different chords to learn. So let's start with those. So the first one would be the F here. So that means you need to bar all strings here on the 1st fret. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord we can bring in is the F minor. So we make it very easy for ourselves here. We just release one finger. So the grip will pretty much be the same here. You bar all strings still on the 1st fret. And the rest will be 3rd on A and 3rd on D. And that's the F minor. Next we have G. So that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. A minor, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have E minor. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be D minor. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Yeah, so those are the chords. We have this little melody here in the intro. And it's, part of it is also used here for the first verse there. But mainly here in the intro. It's based upon the different chords here, F, G, and A minor. So let's go through this melody. It sounds like this. And after this we have 2 different endings depending on which round we're playing. On the first one it's... and then it goes back again with this. And the last second ending is... Okay, so let's start here on the first part here based upon the F chord. So 1st fret on the E string, 3rd fret on A, and 2nd on G. And that's it for F. Next will be the notes that are based on the G chord. So it sounds like this. So that is 3rd on E string, open D, and open G. And that's it. And the next final chord will be A minor. Sounds like that. So that is open A, 2nd D, and 1st B. So that is the main riff here for the intro, you can say. So slowly. And then on the first round you have this ending. So that means open E again, 3rd B, and 1st B. That's the first ending, and the second ending will be... that is 1st B, 2nd D, and open B. Okay, so that is what we need to handle here to begin with, and the verse here starts with chords F, G, A minor, and then on the first round we have this, you add this melody, and then you go for another round, F, G, A minor, and you add the ending. So how do you handle the chords here? It will pretty much on the first round here with the 2 different endings. I mean, that will be 2 rounds of the melody. It would be just the melody, so you're gonna play what we just learned, like this. Okay, and you will play this for another round. You could choose to continue with this melody here, or you can choose to bring in the strumming for the chords and end with the melodies with these different endings here. So if you choose to play the strumming, then the strumming will be down, up, clap for each chord. So F, G, and A minor for each chord, down, up, clap, and then the different endings here. So with the strumming, it would sound like this: down, up, clap, then G, down, up, clap, then A minor, down, up, clap, and on this first round, and then you go back, F, up, clap, G, up, clap, down, up, clap on A minor, and then yeah, so that covers this first verse here. Then comes this pre-chorus. Here we need to play two different chords here, D minor and then F minor. So the strumming here will change a bit, so it will be down, up, clap, down, clap. So for D minor, down, up, clap, down, clap. And then you switch to F minor, down, up, clap, down, clap. And that's it for the pre-chorus. So down, up, clap, down, clap. And then same on F minor, down, up, clap, down, clap. So only one time on D minor, one time on F minor, and that is the pre-chorus. Then comes the chorus here. You know how to make my day. That's where we are in the lyrics. So the chords will be F, G, E minor, and A minor, and that will be for 3 rounds. So that will be the chord progression: F, G, E minor, A minor. Now this strumming will change a bit again, and we need to think as pair of chords. So F and G will pair up, and E minor and A minor will pair up. So how do we pair them up? So if we take the F and G, since that is the first 2 chords, it will be down, up, clap, down, up, clap. So F, up, clap, G, up, clap. So to illustrate this with the chords, it sounds like this. And then the same for E minor to A minor. So F, on the F you play down, down, up, clap, and then quickly change to G, down, and then up, clap. Yeah, so that is how you handle the chorus there. 3 rounds, F, G, E minor, and A minor. Yeah, after that comes the second verse here. For this one, you could play the same here as we learned in the first verse, the melody, or you can play the strumming here. And the strumming will be, yeah, I have to explain this because it changes a little bit again. So if you choose to play the strumming, then it's like this. You're gonna play the first 2 rounds of the F, G, E minor, and A minor, since that is the chords here. It changes here from the first verse. So the chords will be F, G, E minor, A minor. Okay. You work so hard, you should get just what you're worth. That's where we are in the lyrics. So play like this. So two downs or down up on each chord without any claps here on the first 2 chord progression rounds. So F, G, E minor, and A minor. That is 1 chord progression. For the first 2 rounds, you play down, down on the F, and then on the G, and then you pair up with the E minor, A minor. And another round. Okay, so for 2 rounds of this chord progression, just down, up, or down, down. And on the next 2, because this verse will cover in total of 4 rounds, on the next 2 you will do a clap between, so down, up, clap, down, up. So you just add this clap in between the chords there. So 2 rounds without the clap and 2 with the clap, and that's the second verse there. So after that comes another pre-chorus, the second pre-chorus, and that will be the same as the one we just learned there before with the D minor and F minor only. And then comes the second verse right after that, and that will be, sorry, the chorus, and that will be the same as the chorus we just learned. And then after that we have a bridge part. And in the lyrics is what he sings there, hey baby, do you see yourself? Do you see yourself? Okay, so this part here will be starting on the F, G, E minor, and A minor. So we recognize that by now. And you will play down, down, up, clap, down, up for each chord. So, okay. So down, down, up, clap, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap. So 1 time for each chord. Down, down, up, clap, down, up. Then you switch. Like this. And so on. You're going to play for 3 chord progression rounds of this. And on the 4th round, you're going to play 2 times on the F. So, and then you switch to G and just play 1 down. And that's the end of this bridge part. So 3 rounds of the F, G, E minor, A minor. And on the 4th round, 2 times on the F and just 1 down on G. And then we have the final chorus there. I believe it's the 3rd chorus there. And that will be played exactly in the same way as the previous choruses. And that will end this cool song from Jesse McCartney called Selfless. So good luck with this one, guys, and see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on this channel. Get the latest updates here. And don't forget to do your homework here. There's a lot of practice going on this channel. I see you guys, you interact with me and have many questions about how you do things, and that is really, I mean, I get happy when I see that, because that's the main goal, to educate you guys. So yeah, see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.